Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put refrigerant into your car's AC system. First, gather your essential tools, including a can of R134A refrigerant, a charging hose with a pressure gauge, and safety gear like gloves and eye protection. It's crucial to ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool before you begin. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective equipment. This guide is for systems that are low on refrigerant, not those with major leaks or completely empty. Next, you'll need to locate the low-pressure service port on your vehicle's air conditioning system. Begin by opening the hood and finding the AC compressor, which is usually a belt-driven component on the engine. From the compressor, follow the larger of the two aluminum tubes. This larger tube leads to the low-pressure port, which typically has a cap marked with the letter L. Carefully remove this protective cap to expose the port. Now connect your charging hose. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting from your refrigerant can and gauge to the low-pressure service port. Once connected, start your vehicle's engine and set the air conditioning to its coldest setting with the fan on high. With the compressor engaged, observe the pressure reading on your gauge. This reading indicates your current refrigerant level. Consult a pressure chart, often found on the refrigerant kit, to compare your reading with the recommended low-side pressure for the outside temperature. To add refrigerant, squeeze the trigger on the charging hose for short bursts, about 5 to 10 seconds each, gently shaking the can. After each burst, wait approximately 30 seconds for the system pressure to stabilize before taking another reading. Continue this process until your gauge indicates the low-side pressure is within the recommended range for the ambient temperature. Once complete, carefully disconnect the charging hose, replace the protective cap on the service port, and enjoy your newly cold air conditioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.